That's probably cute. Oh, you don't care. You can You're so cute. How old is your dog?
Huh?
How old is your dog?
She's 2.
Oh, you're a good girl. You want a treat? I have one. Does she have one?
Mm-hmm. How much are these a pound?
$3.99.
And how much is that?
That one is a little over half a pound. So maybe $2.50 with tax.
Okay.
You got it? You want me to break it for you? You got it? Here,
She won't hardly eat food unless it's from me. Plus, she's military, so.
Aww.
Yeah.
Oh, you can put that down right here. Do you have your Petco savings card on you?
Okay.
It's free. It's like a Kroger card. For every 100 you spend, we give you $5 back. That's how you get your sale prices. That's the hardest part. Fill that out.
You're gorgeous. Hi, kitty. How come you still ain't got a home, buddy? You're so beautiful. Oh, baby. Ooh, it's an ugly Rottweiler. Oh, kitty. Oh, baby.
Oh, goodness. Goodness. Did you like it?
Hi.
Goodness is a good kitty.
I know. I can't believe he hasn't got a home yet.
I know.
I take him myself, but I got 3 newborn kittens I'm trying to find homes for.
Aww.
Just.
Oh, what do you have for me? I have a meteor treat you might like. Did you have your PALS card on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have one?
I do, but I don't know if it's under there because they tried to find it before.
Well, let's try your last name first.
Okay.